In 2026, AI is no longer optional. It's a skill, just like typing or using a smartphone. If you don't learn AI now, you may fall behind in work, business, and income. But here's the good news: you don't need to be an engineer. You just need practical, easy-to-learn skills. Imagine walking through a busy city street. Everyone is on their phones, communicating, working, and learning. Those using AI are getting more done in less time, and you can too. Learning AI today means staying ahead tomorrow. AI is transforming every job: office work, schools, shops, even outdoor services like delivery and logistics. People using AI are faster, smarter, and more productive. Picture a cafe. One barista manages orders, inventory, and customer messages using AI tools, saving hours each day. Learning these skills keeps you ahead in any environment, whether in an office, outdoors, or running your own business. The first skill is prompt writing. Clear, specific instructions give you better results from AI. For example, imagine asking an AI to create a travel itinerary. If you write vague instructions, you get generic results. But if you write clear prompts, like including budget, location, and interests, the AI can plan a perfect trip. Mastering prompts makes you faster and more effective than most people at work or even in daily life. AI content creation. AI helps you create content 10 faster: videos, images, scripts, and social media posts. Imagine you run a small outdoor cafe. Using AI, you can create beautiful Instagram posts, promotional videos, and menus in minutes. You don't need design skills. AI acts as your creative partner. Professional quality content is now accessible to everyone. Understanding data. AI makes data simple. You can compare products, analyze trends, read reviews, and make better decisions. Think about choosing a phone, a car, or even ingredients for your business. AI helps you understand which option is best. Outdoor market sellers, online business owners, and even travelers can benefit from insights AI provides in real time. Automation skills. AI can automate repetitive tasks: scheduling, reporting, social media posting, or customer responses. Imagine a delivery company where AI assigns routes to drivers efficiently, saving hours every day. Automation frees you to focus on creativity, strategy, or enjoying more free time outdoors. Learn basic AI tools. You don't need to be a tech expert. Tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and AI image video creators are easy to learn. Even a street vendor can use AI to track sales, communicate with customers, or create digital marketing content. Once you know the basics, AI becomes your daily assistant everywhere: office, outdoors, or at home. Creative thinking. AI boosts your creativity. It's not just about tools, it's about ideas. Imagine an artist sketching outdoors, or a content creator filming a scenic location. AI can help turn ideas into polished images, videos, or stories quickly. Your creativity combined with AI produces results beyond what you imagined. Problem solving. AI helps you solve problems faster. By analyzing options, providing alternatives, and highlighting potential risks, it becomes your thinking partner. Whether planning a road trip, organizing a team, or solving a business challenge, AI provides clarity and efficiency. Problem solving is one of the most valuable skills, both indoors and outdoors. Digital communication. Communication is key. AI can help you write clear emails, prepare presentations, or collaborate virtually. Even if English isn't your first language, AI ensures your message is professional. Imagine coordinating a remote team or outdoor event. AI keeps your messages clear, reducing mistakes and confusion. AI safety and ethics. With great power comes responsibility. Learn to use AI ethically, respect privacy, avoid misinformation, and verify sources. Whether you are online, managing clients outdoors, or interacting with customers, responsible AI use builds trust and credibility. Your skills will be respected globally when used responsibly. Your skills decide your future. AI will not replace you, but someone using AI will. Start learning today, practice daily, and grow continuously. Imagine walking through a park, a busy street, or a city skyline. People who embrace AI are achieving more, enjoying life, and creating opportunities. Your future self will thank you. Learn, grow, lead. Do not forget to subscribe for more.